Hari Om students, good morning to all. How are you? Hope you all fine and safe. Hope you all keep diary. So do prayer daily, okay? So like you were doing as usual in the school. Now let's get into the title of the lesson. Unit 4 Crows 17 Oranges. It is a short story written by Bill Norton. Before getting into the lesson, let's see some information about the author. William John Francis Norton, known as Bill Norton. His full name was William John Francis Norton, and his nickname was Bill Norton. Okay. His life period was between 1910 to 1992. Was an Irish-born British playwright and author. He wrote many novels, short stories, plays, and children's books. He is best known for the play Alfie. Let's have a look on glossary. Dock, an enclosed area of water in a port for the loading, unloading, and repair of ships. Apron, a protective garment worn over the front of one's clothes and tied at the back. Red-handed means used to indicate that a person has been discovered in the act of doing something wrong. Blabbing, to reveal secrets thoughtlessly. Pips, small hard seeds in the fruit. Chunks, thick large pieces of something. Before get into the lesson, let me ask some questions. Imagine you are caught while eating something without your parents' permission or doing something mischievous thing. What would be your reaction? How would you manage that situation? Usually this happens at home and even in the classroom, isn't it? We used to caught red-handed. Here red-handed means with evidence. So how will you be react? We feel very frightened and then somehow manage the situation by saying or doing something, isn't it? So here the hero of this story also being in such situation. Let's see if the hero is able to cleverly manage a tricky situation or not. Let's see the characters. Narrator. Here narrator means storyteller. Here narrator is the hero of this story. Clem Jones, narrator's friend. Pongo, the policeman, other policeman. Let's move into the story. Let me give introduction first. Here I is the narrator of the story, who is a boy or a young man. He was so fond of oranges and used to eat them day and night. One day, a policeman found 17 oranges in his pockets. The policeman arrested him, and from that time, he has never eaten an orange. Now, the narrator wants to say his story about 17 oranges. Let's listen. He was working for Swift Delivery Company as the driver for a cart with a little pony, and he used to go in and out of dockyard. He was not a thief, but he would take something and hide it in the apron whenever he goes inside the docks. He had made the apron himself and it was too big. Clem Jones was one of his friends who was also working in docks. He was one of the careful planner in theft. One day, Clem Jones was carrying one box which had one cat. While he was carrying Pongo, the policeman stopped him and made him to open the box. When he opened the box, the cat ran to the ship. Clem Jones was chasing the cat, but he was not able to catch it. 2 minutes later, Clem came back with the same box. Pongo laughed at him, and Clem looked at him furiously. But when he reached, he was very happy because he stolen a big piece of Dutch cheese. That was Clem's story, but our narrator was not so lucky. Our narrator was also taken few oranges from dogs and he hidden it in his apron. While he was coming, he was caught by the policeman Pongo. He was taken to the police cabin and Pongo placed the 17 oranges which were taken as evidence against narrator. Pongo asked many questions about the orange which he had taken from the dogs, but he didn't give any response to him. So Pongo became very angry and decided to call one policeman for evidence. While Pongo gone, he started to eat those oranges with pip and peel because he knew no evidence, no punishment. When Pongo came with another policeman, there was no oranges on the table, but there was only the smell of orange. The policeman became angry, but there was no real evidence for the theft. So he decided to leave the narrator. The moral of story is never be obsessed with things you like the most. Here, obsessed means keep thinking about any person or anything very deeply. Now it's homework time. Read the para given below and answer the following questions. I was driving a little pony and cart for the Swift delivery company and I often went in and out of the docks. Here questions. Question number 1. I refers to whom? Question number 2. Where did the narrator work? Question number 3. What was the narrator's job in the docks? Here one small information. Do you know one orange contains our daily requirement of vitamin C? Okay. That's all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice